Hi, I'm Briony Fisher. I'm a yoga teacher and performance coach, and I'm hosting October Yoga Month this month at BodyHoliday. My first impressions of BodyHoliday are just how relaxed you feel the minute you show up. Everyone's so friendly, the energy is so relaxed. You walk through the hotel and all you can hear is waves crashing on the beach. Teaching here already has been incredible, just being in this environment. So yeah, having just arrived, that's something that's hit me quite quickly, is the space, and the energy of the space just slows you right down straight away. One experience that I'm super excited about at BodyHoliday, I have to say, has to be the spa treatments, because I'm a busy mum of two, full-time working, juggling lots of stuff like loads of other people are, and the opportunity to have a massage at any point is always nice, but to have one every day feels incredibly indulgent. So yeah, there's lots of things that I love, lots of fast-paced things, and boxing, the gym, there's so much here to do, but actually I'm quite excited about some of the things that involve not doing. The thing that I hope most people take from the sessions that I run is to awaken a sense of curiosity in themselves. It's so easy for people to show up to yoga and think that they should just make the shapes. And they're in them and they're holding their breath and they're holding the pose and everything's really tight because they're trying to do it right. And the way that I teach is to just create some space for lowering the bar, if you like, when it comes to how yoga should be, and instead to let people move a little bit more outside the traditional lines of yoga, and just to notice what they feel when they do that, because so often everyone gets so caught up in making the shapes, they forget why the shapes are there in the first place. And essentially it is to help you explore what else you can create within your body through the use of the shapes. So yeah, curiosity has to be the number one objective of what we do. So for anyone doing yoga for the first time, doing yoga here at BodyHoliday with me, the biggest thing that I would say to sort of help people feel more comfortable, whether you've done loads of yoga or not a lot, is to just show up. Because often stepping inside a space, entering a room, being okay with not being the best, those are the things that sort of hold a lot of people back from not just doing yoga, but doing a lot of other things in life. So if you can lower the bar a little bit around what you expect from your practice, then often it can be the case that you come in and there's so much more there than you think there is. But if you let the expectations sit in the body or sit in the mind that you've got to be really good in order just to show up, then often it stops us just walking through the door and trying something new. So yeah, be a little bit brave and lower the bar, because it always helps. So my go-to practice for managing stress or checking in with how I'm feeling definitely has to be my breathing, because it's the simplest way to start to feel if the stress is building up to a point where it's impacting in a negative way. So when I get really stressed, I tend to hold my breath, or my body tightens up so my breath can't really move in my body that well. So when I take a nice deep breath into my belly, it kind of creates that feeling in the body of loosening up a bit. So belly breathing is a really powerful part of my personal practice, which I find is a great check-in for me. Like, how am I breathing? If I'm not breathing right, it normally means there's something else going on. But then, even if you are in a stressful situation, if you start breathing instantly, the stressful situation gets less stressful because you're breathing, so the body feels less tense and tight. And it's a bit of a chicken and an egg thing, but effectively your breath is an amazing tool. So if you have any reservations about visiting BodyHoliday, I would say you have nothing to worry about. It's warm, it's welcoming, there's a whole team of people that look after you, and whether you're coming with other people or whether you're coming on your own, the environment is the thing that makes it. Amazing instructors, amazing variety of things that you can try, new people that you can meet. And so it's not just a hotel and a holiday, it's a really amazing immersive experience. So if that sounds exciting and interesting to you, then book your spot.